Homemade Malaysian beef rendang with basmati white rice, Iftar and Ramadan special. Host, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have something special for you, a delicious homemade Malaysian beef rendang paired with fragrant basmati white rice. Perfect for Iftar and a Ramadan special, this recipe is not only mouth-watering but also affordable and beginner-friendly. So, let's dive right into the ingredients and preparation methods. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our tasty recipes. Now, let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this delightful dish. For beef rendang: 500 grams beef, thinly sliced. 2 cans of coconut milk. 4 stalks of lemongrass, bruised. 4 kaffir lime leaves. 1 turmeric leaf, optional. 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Salt, to taste. For spice paste, rimpa. 8 shallots. 6 cloves of garlic. 4 dried chilies, soaked in hot water. 3 red chilies. 2 inches of galangal. 2 inches of ginger. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of fennel powder. For basmati white rice: 2 cups of basmati white rice. 4 cups of water. 1 teaspoon of salt. Preparation methods. Beef rendang. Let's start by preparing the spice paste, or rimpa. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot. Add the spice paste and sauté until fragrant. Now, add the bruised lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and the optional turmeric leaf to enhance the flavor. Once the spice paste is well cooked, add the thinly sliced beef. Stir until the beef is evenly coated with the spices. Pour in coconut milk. Pour in the coconut milk and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer until the beef is tender, and the sauce thickens. This may take about 2 hours, so be patient. Add tamarind paste and season with salt. Add the tamarind paste to give the rendang a tangy kick. Season with salt according to your taste. Continue simmering until the beef is fork tender and the sauce is rich and flavorful. Basmati white rice. While the beef rendang is simmering, let's prepare the perfect basmati white rice. Rinse rice. Rinse 2 cups of basmati white rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Combine rice and water. In a rice cooker or a pot, combine the rinsed rice with 4 cups of water and a teaspoon of salt. Cook rice. Cook the rice according to the instructions. If using a pot, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Plating. Now, let's plate our delicious homemade Malaysian beef rendang with basmati white rice. Serve beef rendang on a plate with a side of basmati white rice. Plate a generous serving of the beef rendang alongside a portion of basmati white rice. Garnish with some fresh cilantro or chopped green onions for a burst of color and added freshness. There you have it, a mouth-watering homemade Malaysian beef rendang with fragrant basmati white rice, perfect for iftar and special Ramadan dinners. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and bursting with flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you a blessed Ramadan filled with joy, good food, and cherished moments. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much Malaysian beef rendang with fragrant basmati white rice lovers.